Hi everyone, it's So Giraffe here coming at you with a Time Warp Tuesday. And in keeping with the theme of the month, Pride Month, I decided to show off my little Pride Chameleon. It was really hard and really time consuming to do each of his little stripes in a different color, but I'm very happy I did. He is quite cute in my opinion, at the very least, and very soft. This time I actually did put metal, not just pipe cleaners, but metal in his little hands and in his tail. So his tail does move. Unfortunately, I can still feel the bump sometimes. So I think next time I'll have to figure out a different metal or something like that. But that was definitely a fun project to work on. So um, everyone deserves love. Love is love. And I hope you all have a nice, safe day today. So thank you so much. Happy crafting. Bye.